Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this portable espresso machine from Wonder Family, okay? So this is what the case looks like, and I do want to thank Wonder Family for actually gifting this to me. So what we essentially have here is a portable espresso machine, and it's going to be great for ground coffee or coffee capsules. So this is what it looks like, in which it basically just goes ahead. You have the coffee jar, and then you have some multiple different lids for the coffee ground beans and such. And then with this is great for camping. This is where the grounds would go. This is what the cap is for. And this is where the controls are. So it is a touchscreen basis. So with it, it includes a portable espresso machine, the ground coffee filter basket, a small capsule adapter. You've also got a large capsule adapter as well, and of course you have the storage case or travel case. You've also got a USB-C charging cable, just because this does need to be charged, I believe, towards right over here on the front portion. This is where it actually charges, but I do love the color, and I'd say for one cup of coffee that this makes, it's absolutely fantastic. So with that being said, I've had no problems with this whatsoever. If you're someone who's into portable espresso or espresso itself, and you need a travel one, definitely check this out.